In this video, we are going to look into the default render destinations that Mistika has. So when I go to output, and this is basically the information of the previous render that I did. And this one I chose the user-defined target, but what if I use the default render name one? You can see that the path at the bottom, the path selection gets grayed out. So I'm gonna press OK. And you can see the path here just in the bottom part of the video information section. I'm going to render an MP4 as well, but I'm going to change the name. I'm gonna change this to default render name, just to show you what it does. And in this case, audio, it won't be necessary for the purpose of this video. And just check that everything is fine. Source name is going to be the render name, timeline timecode, all that is correct. And instead of rendering the whole thing, I'm just going to choose in and out points. I'm going to set an endpoint here, and maybe just an out point over here, just 1 minute and 16 seconds. So I'm going to hit render, and once it's finished, we will check where it's been dropped. So the render is finished, and now, as we did in previous videos, I'm going to select the clip and go to attributes, and we could see that it rendered exactly to the default render name. And I'm going to open Windows Explorer and go exactly to that location. So material, delivery, DI, MTK training videos, which is the name of the project, the MP4, the extension, and MP4 default render name, which is a render I just did. Okay, and we can see that that is the destination. And where is that defined? Well, it's defined if we go to output, hit on the gear icon to enter the video setup, and just beneath, just where the path, the destination target is, there's also another gear. If we click there, we open the path builder, which is the destination path manager, and you can see here that there are several default render paths, depending if you want to render respecting the render name that you've added or the original tape name of the clip. And you can see that these folder structures are done per type of file, like audio, if it's a Mistika.js file, if it's a movie file, or if it's a enumerated sequence. Okay, the other options here as well, and you can create your own. We will see how we can create our own in a following video.